स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं इसके जो लेसेस हैं ये निकालने वाली हूँ. ठीक है, ये मैंने वॉश कर लिए पहले. आप भी वॉश कर लीजिएगा. ओल्ड शूज़ है. देन एज यूजुअल फैब्रिक कलर लिया है बिकॉज मैं वाटर प्लांट्स करूँगी तो भीगेगा जरूर ये. सो क्या होगा ना, अगर हम फैब्रिक कलर करेंगे तो ये जैसे हैं वैसे रहेंगे. ठीक है, लेट मी पेंट देन आई विल शो यू होल. इट विल टेक टाइम, राइट? So see this, I have painted both the shoes and they are looking brand new, right? No need to paint here, okay? So these are looking nice, yes. See this, and you know what I'm feeling now? What I'm feeling? I'm feeling like cobbler. See my hands. To the black area with blue. So wait. Actually, the time is my memory is close. It's coming on 5 June. That's why I'm painting a shoe. You can paint as you want. Art you like, whatever art you want it, Madana, Mithila, whatever. It's up to you. You can do anything on it. You can doodle on it, whatever. I'll make one more later on. Right now, I don't have so much time for that. See this. This is ready. I made green and this water green. Now on boundary I'll make some leaves, okay, and we'll draw water over here and we'll show that this art is melting, okay. See this. What is this? Earth is melting down. You have to make shape like this, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So this is easy. So I'll make leaves, okay. Wait. This looks so beautiful. Okay, I'm having doing this work, now fill the dots between these leaves. You have to fill this brown area, simple as that, okay? And it will look so good and nice. See? It's so much beautiful. I'm loving it. Wow. two eyes are up, and in a sad, rose. Okay, and I have made these leaves side, and see this are sad, are this sad, and this is power plants and smoke coming out, and this is also a part of power plant, and stop talking trash, and this is also power plant part. This is also a power plant plant. Okay, and say no to plastic bag. Yes, and here I have, I tried to show water, and we have fish, and let us splash, keep the sea clean. Okay, and again we are here. Isn't it lovely? Yes, at this melting town. So be alert, guys. Don't throw Quran here and there trash. Okay, guys. A final look. See this. Happy Environment Day, 5 June 2020, and it is on Friday. Today is Friday. So here we have leaves and earth, sad earth, and melting. It's melting badly. So I have write something over here. Heal earth, heal ourselves. Okay, you can see this. This is very easy to make, and I've explained it. Okay. So stop dropping trash, and here we have go green. Okay, go green, and environment. Slowly I'm showing you. Environment holds us together. Okay, it's very important to stick together for environment. Is it nice? Thank you so much, guys. I know you must have liked it. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.